As a maritime nation, Singapore's survival and prosperity depend on free and unimpeded movement over the seas. The RSM plays a critical role in keeping our sea lines open and secure. Over the years, our submariners gained the experience and expertise to build more robust capabilities. Today, we stand confident not just to procure new-built submarines, but also to customize them to meet our specific operational requirement. The Invincible class submarines are fitted with advanced technology, allowing for leaner crews and better maneuverability in our congested waters. They are quieter, more durable, and better armed than anything we've had before.